In the heart of every masterpiece lies precision. A single miscalculation and the rhythm falls apart. Your business, like this watch, is a symphony of small parts. Each has its role, each carries its weight. The second hand, the relentless now, urgent but fleeting. The minute hand, your strategy, measured, deliberate, building momentum. The hour hand, your legacy, slow but unstoppable. Overweight one part and the machine falters. Obsess over the now, and the future stalls. Ignore the details and the vision cracks. You are the engineer. Recalibrate, protect your vision, refine your craft. The smallest detail today shapes tomorrow's legacy. Excellence isn't built in leaps. It's 1,000 tiny acts turning in unison. Your time is now. Build a masterpiece where every second, minute, and hour sings in harmony. Passionate crescendo. In entrepreneurship, every particle matters.